You wanted to create a new YouTube channel, but you do not want to create many different Google accounts, create new email and things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple YouTube channels in one Google email account. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, go into YouTube in your web browser. Okay, then go top right. You can click on settings here directly, or let's do it through YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio, click on it. Then you scroll down, you can see here settings at the bottom left, click on it. Go to channel, go to advanced settings. So this is where you do your settings for your channel as well. So scroll down. You can see here manage YouTube account, click on it. And then you can see this is your information, choose how you appear and what you see on YouTube, status, features, advanced settings and things like that. But what you want to do is go to here, add or manage your channels. Click on it. So you currently see that I have 2 channels. So what you need to do is just create a channel. So for example, a channel name. Just click on understand and create. And then you need to verify your phone account. Continue, and then you just verify your code, and there your channel is ready. All you have to do right now is just edit the channel accordingly. Okay, and when you open up switch account, you should be able to see the Ken Watches Anime here, like the channel here where you can edit accordingly. Okay, so this is how you can create a new YouTube account or new YouTube channel with just the same Google email or Google account. Okay, if you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Not this channel, my main channel. You can subscribe to this channel if you want to as well. And with that, thank you so much and I see you next time. Goodbye.